For this project, we used a marbling kit from Jacquard. This is the alum that comes in the kit. It is a mordant agent that helps the paint stick to the fabric. We dissolved 2 teaspoons in warm water using a whisk to fully dissolve it. After the fabric soaks in the alum for 20 minutes, remove and line dry, and then iron out with a low heat iron. Next up is the base that the paint will float on. This is carrageenan mixed with warm water. We used 4 teaspoons of the carrageenan, which is an algae substance, and a gallon of warm water. You can do this by hand or in a blender. Blender kind of works better. Next up, you'll want to pour your solution into a tray and start putting your paint down. These trays are about 20 inches by 30 inches, and the paint is in the kit. We mixed a few of the colors on our own and used some of the primaries. It comes with black, white, red, yellow, and blue, and a really nice purple. Now for the marbling, we used a fork and a pick comb and kept it pretty swirly for this scarf. Now we'll lay our scarf down on top of the paint, trying to cover as much surface area as possible, and then pull it directly up. After it dries, you'll want to iron with a low heat iron to set the paint. And then for a finishing touch, we use fabric glue and Paragon Sky ultrafine glitter from Bulk Glitters to decorate it at the end.